Hi there, my name is Eric Dugan, founder and chief investment officer of 3D Capital Management. Today, August 16th, 2021, the S&P 500 settles at an all-time closing high. I've been managing stock market risk one day at a time for nearly 30 years. And when I say stock market risk, I'm referring to the Pacific Rim stock markets, European stock markets, and the U.S. stock markets. I've also had the good fortune of managing money in every asset class in every time zone around the globe. So why is that important? Because I've managed risk through multiple market cycles and moves never seen in the history of the stock market. But more importantly, it became very clear early in my career that the world is one big global macro flow chart and that the only thing that matters in the market is price and time. So right now I'm going to share some headlines and some charts with you from today that I think will put it all into perspective. So let's take a quick look. These headlines began last night, August 15th through today. Taliban takes over Afghanistan, COVID infections rise, China economy under pressure as factory output, retail sales growth slows sharply. So those headlines hit the tape. Then what happens in the markets? Well, the first markets to open, the Pacific Rim stock markets, they fall. The next markets to open, the European stock markets, they fall. And then what happens? Last market to open the world, the S&P 500, that starts the day by moving lower. Let's take a look at some pictures and see what those charts look like. Nikkei here on the far left, another great reminder that risk happens fast. Nikkei opens lower and moves lower. Next chart, European stocks, the Euro stocks, that opens lower and moves lower. This next chart, Euro Yen, clearly trends lower all day. Last market to open, the S&P 500, you can see that opens lower and moves lower before rallying off its low for the rest of the day. Now, you'll often hear me say you cannot manage weakness without identifying strength. You'll also hear me say that we at 3D Capital Management protect our clients every day because every day matters. Today was one of those days. Our 3D Defender program engaged. Let me show you what that looked like. Drill down and take a look at a S&P 500 chart from today. Yes, we did close at an all-time high, but we didn't start that way. The origin of the XY axis is the beginning of the U.S. hours. You can see we opened lower and we moved lower. Our 3D Defender program, which is our dynamic hedge program, put a hedge on. You can see we moved lower, but then we did retrace off the low. 3D Defender was removed. Defense was no longer needed. And again, the S&P 500 rallies over, or just about 1% off its low and closes at its highest level in history. Our expertise at 3D Capital Management is managing stock market risk. We have two programs, our 3D Defender program and our 3D Hedged Equity program, which simply combines buy and hold in the S&P 500 with our 3D Defender program. If you have any questions about how we can help you manage your stock market risk, go to our website, sign up for our monthly updates, or give us a call and begin a dialogue. We're here to help you.